Hey parents and students, this is Miss Hans. I just wanted to reach out to you and tell you that I hope everyone is doing okay at home. As Miss Hans, quería decirles que espero que todos estén bien en casa. I also wanted to take the time to show you how you can go onto our school website and see our homework, our math review, and our problem of the day. So you're going to go into your search and you're going to type in KatensSchool.com. Enter. It's going to bring you here. Here's our website. And you're going to click on Students and Classes. So I'm going to click on that. Show all classes. You can scroll down to find your specific class, but I'm just going to show you the things that I have posted. So you go into Ms. Hans here, and you'll be able to see the homework for this week, the math review for this week, and the POD, the problem of the day for this week. So I'm just going to show you. I'm going to click on the math review. It's going to go onto it, and there you go. You can print it, or if you don't have a printer at home, you can just work on each of these problems in a notebook. I hope that everyone is safe out there, and I will be making videos so that you can see how you can go online and get all the materials that you need. Again, I hope everyone is doing well, and see you guys soon. Bye.